Seaton Park. Please mind the gap.
Trains coming through Royal Adelaide Golf Club. Golf Club. This is the CBD of Adelaide, Adelaide Railway Station. The Osborne Grange lines come, and this point is the Torrens Junction rail underpass, which has been announced as going ahead. At this point, the Park Terrace rail underpass, as part of that Torrens Junction development, will go ahead. At South Road, the Torrens to Torrens infrastructure development will cause a rail overpass to go over South Road. The line continues up to Woodville, which is a 3-platform station, and the Grange line comes round, and this is the Tapleys Hill Trimmer Parade, Tapleys Hill Road, Trimmer Parade level crossing, and the Grange line then continues to here, Grange. So this is the location of the level crossing at Tapleys Hill Road, Trimmer Parade. The state government has released a discussion paper how we can improve our rail crossings in South Australia. This shows all the level crossings in Adelaide, and the yellow sections are where over time we've been able to remove the level crossings by either underpasses or overpasses. The other dots represent level crossings which are part of their discussion. In the year 2011 to 2015, we had a total of 660 near misses which have been recorded on our level crossings. There were 11 collisions where there was no injury on our level crossings, minor injuries of 5, serious injury of 6, and 4 fatalities occurred. In the metropolitan area, Tapleys Hill Road Trimmer Parade intersection, the purpose of this movie, is the highest ranking with 46 incidents in that time, followed by South Road intersection at Emerson on the Seaford line, the Cormack Dry Creek level crossing which is on the Gawler line, the Ovingham Torrens Road level crossing which is on the Gawler line, the Park Terrace Salisbury which is on the Gawler line, the Jetty Road Brighton which is on the Seaford line, the Morphett Road Diagonal Road Oaklands Park level crossing which is on the Seaford line, and the Eastern Parade Port Adelaide or Gilman which is on the Dry Creek to Port Adelaide line.